Raymond Kahinde ni araugire marongoreirie kugacirithia wendia na ugethi wa mbeu cia makadamia na kuhukia wendi wa makadamia matari makuru, undu uria uhotometie mimera ya aremi na thina uyu no wetheirwo kihonia ni atongoria kurumirira uiguithanio.
Tukikaa pamoja na bwana mheshimiwa na zile ofisi ambazo ziko juu, uzuri yeye anazijua zote. In fact na expect yeye ataniongoza na twende pamoja na tuweze kutatua haya mambo yote ambayo yanamhusu, so that at the end of the day mnaweza mkafanya ukulima wa macadamia kulingana na vile inavyotakikana na muweze kupata faida ya huu mti unaitwa macadamia.
Nake mũmbunge wa Tigani ya Ithũĩro John Mutunga ni oritie thirikari ĩingĩrĩre nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra bũrũri wa China nĩ wetĩkĩrio kũgũra mbeu icio cia macadamia kana thirikari irehe onjoria angĩ mangĩgũra na thogora mwega.
There are different institutions who are buying the macadamia nuts, and they are the ones who are competing. The owners are competing, but they are using the wrong methods of competition. We should have open market competition, which leaves the supply and demand to set the pricing of the commodity. If somebody can offer a better price, they should be given the opportunity to offer that price.
Oho nĩ hinyĩrĩirie thirikari nene nĩ ĩkirĩte hĩndĩ ĩrĩa aremi aya maguoyohagio na kũingĩrĩrwo nĩ agũri a macadamia ona thengia ya gũkorwo na license na rũtha rwa kũgũra.
We do not want by any means any cartel in the macadamia industry. So we are saying macadamia farmers should be left alone. We have agreed that the farmers are going to be organized. We are going to link up or partner with the county government and the national government and the institution that is overseeing the production and marketing of the crop and promotion of the crop as well, to set up collection centers where the farmers can meet with the buyers to sell their product.
Nake MC wa mwena ũyũ David Kaitha nĩ oritie thirikari ĩgerie kũnyihanyihia mũtaratara wa kwendia macadamia nĩguo kũgeria kũhotomia tũrĩa neme tũrĩa tũhũranaga na thogora mwega wa aremi. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩakwo nĩ Njamba Njĩthĩ wa Nairobi wa Gatuma.